Hi, I'm Aaron, Dad with Archer Services, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Black Star gravel pathways that we like to design into our landscape. This is a really unique feature that I haven't seen in a lot of other landscape designs. In fact, I really haven't seen it anywhere else besides what we design. I love this feature in landscape designs because it does so many different things for your yard. It gives you so many advantages to use your landscape better and to help protect your investment. So one of the greatest things here is that it provides, if you notice, this is actually on the back side of our landscape here. And this allows me to easily clean and maintain the back side of the beds. I live in a very forested area, and so there is a lot of leaf litter that falls. And all we simply do is we take the blower and we blow all the leaf debris around the yard, and then I can pick it up when it hits a corner over there. So very easy to maintain and keep clean. This here it's been about 4 or 5 days since, and I mean, all I do to maintain this here is just blow it off. So very, very simple. The other thing that it does, it helps protect a very significant investment on your property, and that's your fence. Fences are getting nothing but more expensive every single year. And so this prevents mulch and debris from gaining up on your fence. And also too, your fence is not meant to be a retaining wall. I go into countless backyards where the mulch and debris just get piled higher and higher up onto the fence. And people are thinking that, oh, the fence can help hold my soils back. That's not what it's meant to do. The fence is meant to give you privacy from your neighbors. It's meant to separate the two properties. It is not meant to be a retaining wall. And so this will help protect your investment of your fence. And it just adds such a nice element. So my kids will run around on the back here and play all kinds of games. It allows for easier maintenance. And the best part is I can drag heavy things over this, like trash cans. In fact, I keep my trash cans on a Black Star gravel pathway. Those tires are very narrow, and those trash cans can get really heavy. And the way that we construct our pathways, as you see here, I'm not sinking into this at all. We'll excavate down 4 to 6 inches, and we compact that ground there, and then we add a nice layer of decomposed crushed granite gravel. And we compact that in as a nice solid sub base. And then on top of that, we just add a 1 to 2 inch layer of Black Star gravel. And Black Star gravel is an angular gravel. It's 3/4 to 5/8 in size. In fact, some of these pieces are a little bit smaller here. It's charcoal in color. It's not black. When it gets wet, it looks definitely a lot closer to black. And angular, so it allows it to kind of lock together. The round gravel, if I were to push on these gravels would start to shift out and out of my hand. The angular gravel locks together much better. And so it prevents a lot of the gravel from kicking out onto my patios in different areas. It also allows me to walk on this much easier. So I can walk on this and not sink into the gravel at all. So it's very easy for me to do so. Like I said, I can drag heavy elements over it, and the tires don't sink into the gravel with the way that we construct our pathways. It does get a few weeds every now and then, but the weeds are only coming from above. The weeds will land on top of the gravel and then sprout. Very simple to pull them because it takes them so long to root through the gravel, through the crushed granite gravel and into the soils, that if you pull them even once a month, you can easily keep your pathways totally clean. Like I said, very low maintenance pathway. We like to do this around houses because we like to keep everything pulled off of the house. We like to do this around fences. We keep everything pulled off of the fence. We don't have sprinklers spraying up on the fence. We don't have soil buildup on the fence. It's just such an amazing design element that we like to include in our landscape that makes our landscapes just that much better for you. Enjoy your landscape. Do something fun and exciting today. Thank you.